Hey, this is Mr. Mollo. I'm going to make a quick video here, try and help you out with this quiz. So if you look at question 1 here, so share and graph the formula for converting weight from kilograms to pounds. Then it asks us if an item weighed 45 kilograms, what is the weight in pounds? So if we're looking for 45 kilograms, so kilograms are on the left side here, pounds are on the bottom. So 45 kilograms is going to be right here. So we're going to try and find the line for when all the way going across from 45. And we look like it's right here. So somewhere between 90 and 105. And in between 90 and 105 would be 99. So looks like it's right there before that line. Number 2, you got right. Okay. So Melissa's family is driving to her grandmother's house. It takes 20 gallons to get there. The cost of 3 gallons is $10.50. How much would she make for a one-way trip? So this is one where we need to figure out how much 1 gallon is. Okay, so we're going to do 1050 divided by 3. And then we got to figure that out to do for 20 gallons. So cost of 3 gallons is 1050. How much would they make for the one-way trip? And you were right with that one. So it was $70. Number 3, Hector make a batch of pancakes for his guests. Use 6 cups of milk, 3 eggs, and 9 cups of pancake mix. What is the constant and proportionality of ratio of pancake mix to milk? So pancake mix 9, milk 6. 9 over 6 was right, except we got to simplify it down to 3 over 2. Okay, Nia plans to put enough money in the bank for each week for 100 weeks. So that the amount of the bank is always proportional to week number. On week 8, she had $20. On week 12, she had $30. How much will be in the account after week 100? So first, we have to figure out how much she put in each week there. So on week 8, she put in $20, or she had $20. And then on week 12, she had $30. So we see how that went up $30 in 4 weeks. So it goes up $30 in 4 weeks. I'm sorry, $10 in 4 weeks. That means it's going to be $2.50 a week. So $10 in 4 weeks is the same as $2.50 in 1 week. And if she goes $2.50 each week for 100 weeks, so $2.50 times 100, she'd end up with $250. So finding that 1 is really important. Table shows the price of rolls at a bakery. A baker's dozen includes 13 rolls. Okay, how much money is saved by buying the baker dozen instead of individual rows? So same thing. So we got to divide 720 by 13, and then we can kind of see how much is saved by buying that. So since a baker's dozen is 13, we can figure that out. Constant proportionality is also the same thing as unit rate. Got that one right. The second number of an ordered pair that corresponds to the point of coordinate system is always the y value. So remember, when you have two ordered pairs, x comes first, then y. So like if we look back at number 1, 88 is x, 40 is y. So the second one in there. Okay, here it was asking for 1. It looks like you got it right. If 5 boxes is 625 cubes, 625 divided by 5 is 125. Or you could have done it for the 8 as well. 1,000 divided by 8 is 125. Doesn't matter. You're just trying to figure out how much one of it is. Kind of the opposite of that other question. The first number is the x value. Second number is the y value. And the graph shows a relationship between the number of books sold at a yard sale and the amount of money collected. What is the constant rate of proportionality? So here we're going to go. We look at this. They got $6 for 4 books. So if we divide $6 by 4 books, we figure out that they made $1.50 each book. And that continues on. $1.50 each book. So if they sell 8 books, they made $12. They sell 12 books, they made 18. They sold 16 bucks, they made 24. All of those are times by 1.5. Hope that helps.